For 160 million years, dinosaurs reigned supreme. They dominated the biosphere, seemingly destined to rule forever. But their reign ended abruptly, violently, with the arrival of a colossal asteroid. A 10-kilometer rock, weighing trillions of tons, plunged into Earth's atmosphere. Gravity, a relentless force, accelerated the object to a staggering 20 kilometers per second. Like a cosmic piston, it compressed the air, generating intense friction. The asteroid's surface heated to tens of thousands of degrees Celsius, burning brighter than the sun. Seconds later, it vanished beyond the horizon, leaving a momentary, searing afterglow. Then, an unbearable brilliance erupted. The asteroid struck the Gulf of Mexico, near the Yucatan Peninsula's northern coast. The impact unleashed the energy of 10 billion Hiroshima bombs. In a single second, it bored 20 kilometers into Earth's crust. The planet shuddered, a global seismic bell tolling. To grasp the magnitude, the Krakatoa eruption, a recent cataclysm, ruptured eardrums 70 kilometers away. This impact was 1,000,000 times more powerful. Shock waves, traveling faster than sound, ripped across the landscape. Animals were flayed alive, hurled into the air and crushed. Even hundreds of kilometers from the epicenter, the largest dinosaurs were tossed like toys. The shock waves circled the globe multiple times. Dinosaurs grazing near the impact site were instantly incinerated, their bones reduced to ash. The red-hot asteroid, blazing through the atmosphere, ignited vast wildfires, leaving no escape. The impact ejected 15 trillion tons of rock into the sky. Some escaped into space. The rest, including house-sized boulders, rained back down. Simultaneously, a glass rain of molten rock, 5 millimeters in diameter, fell from the sky. This fiery hail and scorching rain killed countless creatures. A colossal tsunami, 100 meters high, surged from the ocean. Consider the devastating 2011 Japanese tsunami, barely 10 meters, which ravaged a nation. This impact tsunami traveled thousands of kilometers inland, flooding much of what would become the United States, with traces found as far as North Dakota. The impact triggered earthquakes of unprecedented magnitude, reaching 11.2. These tremors, 50 times stronger than any recorded, shook the planet to its core. Volcanoes across the globe erupted, spewing 70 billion tons of pulverized rock, soot, ash, and carbon monoxide into the atmosphere. As this debris fell back, friction with the air created a superheated cloud. This cloud, a wall of fire, swept across the planet at 18,000 kilometers per hour. In Mongolia, temperatures soared to 150 degrees Celsius within an hour and a half. Almost all life perished. A few animals survived, sheltering in underground caves. They endured as the deadly cloud passed. Then, acid rain began, a deluge of sulfuric acid, the result of hundreds of billions of tons of sulfur compounds released into the atmosphere. For weeks, it poisoned the land and water. A thick blanket of dust, ash, and soot enveloped the planet, blocking sunlight. Noon became as dark as night, and temperatures plummeted by 28 degrees Celsius. An impact winter descended. When the surviving animals emerged, they found a desolate world, cold, dark, and empty. Only decay, fungi, and molds thrived. The dinosaurs, starved and weakened, faced extinction. Though some eggs may have survived and small groups of dinosaurs briefly reappeared, the harsh conditions sealed their fate. The age of dinosaurs ended. The Cenozoic era began. Over decades, the dust settled and sunlight returned. Nature began to recover, with ferns and horsetails leading the way, followed by flowering plants and grasses. Mammals, small creatures that had survived in burrows and trees, were poised to inherit the earth. Adapted to extreme conditions, they reproduced quickly and required little food. The rise of mammals led to the emergence of Homo sapiens, the current dominant species. But our reign is young. Only time will tell if we can match the dinosaurs' 160 million year dominion.